Have you seen the fishermen?
Yes, Buzz. Once I went to visit my relatives who live in a big sea. At first, I was very scared of the big waves. I saw many fishermen standing on small, simple boats that went up and down with the waves. I thought they would fall down, but they were very careful. The boats were just logs of wood tied together. It was very early in the morning. The sun hadn't come out, and so it was very dark then.
I know. Fishermen leave very early in the morning to catch fish in the sea. Grandma told me that the fishermen can feel the wind and look at the sun to find out which way to go.
I can never find out the way in a sea. It is water, water, and more water all around.
You are right, Buzz. We cannot find out the way. But Lilliput, the log boats would be very slow. How can fishermen catch fish with that?
Yes, the log boats move very slowly. My uncle said that they can travel about 4 kilometers in 1 hour. That too, only if the wind is helpful.
I think even I can walk 4 kilometers in 1 hour. My school is 1 kilometer away from our house, and we take 15 minutes to walk to our school. If we take 15 minutes to walk 1 kilometer, then to walk 4 kilometers, we will take 60 minutes. That is 1 hour then. Buzz, suppose the fishermen want to go 10 kilometers into the sea in the log boat. Can you tell me how long it will take them?
I can do it, Meenu. For 4 kilometers, it takes 1 hour. So, for 8 kilometers, it will take 2 hours. I have to find the answer for 10 kilometers.
To go 8 kilometers, it takes 2 hours. That means I have to find out how long will it take to go 2 more kilometers.
If 4 kilometers take 1 hour, 2 kilometers will take half an hour. So, the boat will take 2.5 hours to go 10 kilometers.
Right, Buzz. Are there other types of boats also that catch fish, Lilliput?
Yes, I saw long-tail boats with oars. Then I also saw motorboats which were very fast. But the scariest boat was the machine boat.
Big machine boats? They are also called trawlers. I had seen a trawler when I went to Chennai once. They are big.
Yes, they are very big. They go far out in the sea and put big nets into the deep sea. A whole lot of fish get caught in the net. My uncle warned me not to go near the big machine boats. Their nets catch even the baby fish. But fishermen in smaller boats don't catch baby fish.
That must have been very scary, Lilliput. How much fish do these boats catch?
If a log boat can catch 20 kilograms of fish in one trip, a machine boat can catch 6,000 kilograms of fish in a single trip. The machine boats are also fast. I told you that a log boat travels at 4 kilometers per hour, but a machine boat can travel at 22 kilometers per hour.
A trawler can catch 6,000 kilograms of fish in one trip. That means in 30 trips, it can catch nearly 2 lakh kilograms of fish.
How did you do that, Futta? It is simple, Buzz. For one trip, it catches 6,000 kilogram of fish. In 30 trips, it will catch 6,000 multiplied by 30, where 6 threes are 18. And how many zero remains? 3 and here 1. That is, it will catch 1,80,000 kg of fish. Okay? That is nearly 2 lakh kilogram of fish. Let me see if I can write 2 lakhs. 2 0 0 0 and 0. Meenu, is this right? No, Buzz. Let me try again. 2 0 0 and 0. Meenu, is this right? No, Buzz. This is 20,000. 2 lakh has
5 zeros. When I add one more zero to this 20,000, it becomes 2 lakhs.
My grandma told me that there are 2 lakh boats in our country, but only half of them are fitted with motors.
Let me write this. Half of 2 lakh is 1 lakh. So, 1 lakh boats have motors and 1 lakh boats don't have motors.
You are right now, Buzz. But do you know what? I saw it on TV that there are about 100 lakh people in our country whose lives are linked to the fish. Some of them catch fish, some of them sell them, some make and repair nets, some make boats, some repair them, and so on.
Futta, we have a name for this big number that you said just now. You said 100 lakhs. Let me write it first. First, let me write 100. Then zeros for the lakh. This is 100 lakhs. 100 lakhs is also called a crore.
Crore? What a big number! It has so many zeros. What do we use this number for?
Many things, Buzz. Do you know that the population of our country is even a bigger number? It is 100 crores.
So many people? Meenu, my hands will get tired if I start putting zeros for 100 crores. I will forget and get lost in the zeros.
I am sure there are crores and crores of fish also in the world. That's why many people buy fish from the fish market and eat them. Have you seen a fish market?
I have seen one when I went to Chennai. It is really noisy and smelly. The boats come back from the sea and unload their catch. Then the fisherwomen shout their prices to the buyers. I made friends with a fisherwoman. Her name is Muttamma. She had a huge fish in her hand. She said it was a kingfish. It weighed 9 kilograms and she sold it for rupees 1800. She was very happy.
Oh, that means she sold it for 200 rupees a kilogram.
I know how you did that, Futta. It was 1800 rupees for 9 kilos. So, you did 1800 divided by 9, which is 200. So, it is 200 rupees a kilo. It is a big fish.
I know, kingfish are big. I have also seen a fish market near the beach. They also sell prawns and squids in the fish market. They sell prawns for rupees 150 a kilogram and squids for rupees 50 a kilogram.
Meenu, what is this funny thing? Why is rupees not written for rupees?
Buzz, it is not a funny thing. It is the symbol for rupees. We can write this instead of writing rupees. We have to read it the same way. Rupees 150, rupees 50.
Oh, it is a symbol for rupees. I really like it, Meenu. It's very nice. But I don't know how to write it.
Oh, it's so easy, Buzz. I will write it now and you watch me carefully. Okay? First write like this. Something like writing the capital R. Then put a sleeping line on top. Just below, draw another sleeping line like this.